Let's say I want to provide access to my free travel blog to anyone on the internet to take a look before they become members of my community. This can also apply to if you want to offer a challenge, a page, or anything else that's accessible to the public without providing free public access to everything else in your community. The first thing you're going to do is click on the settings button in the space that you want to make free and public. Next, click on Privacy and Access and go ahead and select Public for this option. Click Save. Next up, I'm going to want to go ahead and create a payment plan so that when folks on the internet who are not members of Mighty Network come to look at my travel blog, they cannot get access to all the other spaces in my community until they pay. To do so, go ahead and click your profile in the upper right corner and open up Mighty Admin. From there, scroll down to your plan list or type in plan list up here and click on this plus button to create a new plan. Here, we're going to leave access to my community toggle to excluded because, again, I want members from the public to be able to come in without making an account. Next up, I'll go ahead and add all the spaces that are on the rest of my community. I'll go ahead and add a plan name. And I can come back later to add an internal note, an image or video, a sales pitch, and a benefits list. Now let's go over to Gates. Here, I want to keep payments toggled on, and I'm going to go ahead and set my price. I want to add a subscription payment so that once members decide to upgrade to accessing the rest of my community, they have to pay a monthly fee. I'll go ahead and add this in. And click Finish. Now my plan is created. All I have to do is finish creating the plan, and I'm going to go ahead and toggle this plan to visible. That way, again, when members of the public come into my Mighty Network, they can then purchase access without any barriers to the rest of my community. The last thing I'm going to do after I've set my public space to public, made my plan for members to purchase, I'm going to go ahead and set my entire Mighty Network to public. Go ahead and click on your profile photo, click on Admin, and on Privacy and Access, set it to public here. Click Save, and that's all there is to it. Now, when members of the internet discover Live Well, they'll be able to access my travel blog. They can scroll through to see all the photos here, but before they're able to like or comment or RSVP to an event or do anything else in my community, they will have to make an account. And in order to access any of my premium spaces here, they'll have to upgrade. That's all.